Welcome to the part of OPPO Reno and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the X Icon Changer app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and then in the search pool we should enter the X Icon Changer. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then install it on your device. Then just tap to open the app. Click allow, and after that you'll see here all the available applications, which icons you can change. For example, let's use the phone app. If you want to rename it, just click here to edit name. If you want to use icons from your device from the applications library, you can use one from these available folders with the different icons. And if you want, you can use photos from your device gallery, or just to take a picture just in camera app right now. For example, this is the phone icon application. Let's use the phone icon. Tap on the right upper corner to OK. Now we should skip this video. Click to add, and we can go to the desktop or just to change the next icon by the same way. So let's just check the new phone icon. This is the regular one, the default, and this is the new one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.